What's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Dog, man. Today, y'all, we are finally getting the exhaust work done. We're gonna get the tips I showed y'all last video. We're gonna get the tips added. We might add some Flowmasters. I can't do no muffler deletes or straight pipes, bro. I figured that out. I can't do a straight pipe or a muffler delete because it's illegal in St. Louis, bro. It's illegal here, so we gotta substitute the muffler delete with the muffler. So we're gonna add, man, y'all gonna see, bro. But today we're gonna make the car louder. Simple as that. Here we go, man. Here we go right here, man. The last time y'all gonna hear this thing sound like a little kitten, man. You feel me? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That's a little cat. That's a little meow. You know what I'm saying? And I already told y'all we're gonna get the tips. I showed y'all last video, bro. If y'all ain't watched last video, I'm gonna show y'all. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get these tips added, these Carven tips. We're gonna get these Carven tips added today, bro. And we go get some, probably try to get the Flowmasters and all that done. So that's the plan for today, bro. Today, this thing gonna sound like a Hellcat. Simple. Yeah, it's, you know what I'm saying? It's still Sunday, you know what I'm saying? It's still the same day. I ain't gonna lie, I'm making 2 videos in one day. If y'all ain't go check out the last video, y'all need to go check out the last video. Simple. But today, y'all, man, we finna make this car louder, bro. I'm excited, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is a very pricey thing to do to a car, though. Like, the tips I added, or the tips I bought was like $270, $260. Then I got the, you know what I'm saying, the rear diffuser. That was like $100, $150. And then I think the welding work, that's going to be like another $500, bro. $500, $600, $700, bro. So, I ain't going to lie. We about to spend like a band just on the back of the car. This is crazy. I ain't going to lie. But I ain't going to lie. Where we going to, man, it's a good body shop, bro. And they going to get your boy right, man. Simple. Nah, but I'm tired of my little car. I'm tired of my I played in. I'm tired of my little Chrysler 300S sounding like a little kitten, man. I need this thing to roar, you feel me? I need this thing to really roar, and that's what we're gonna get done today, bro. Simple. Like I said earlier, I can't do the muffler delete or the straight pipe. That's illegal in St. Louis. But there is ways to make the car louder, which is, you know what I'm saying, get the muffler delete. But we got to replace the muffler with a Flowmaster, you know what I'm saying? Flowmaster 44 or something like that. Something loud, you know what I'm saying? But it's going to be legal. And because I ain't going to lie, the laws be tripping. If your car too loud, they'll be good. And I'm tinted, and my car all tinted out, and I'm a black man, bro. Oh, they going to be quick to pull my black ass over quick, boy. So we going to make the car legally loud. You feel me? We're going to make it legally loud where I can still, you going to still hear me coming, but I ain't going to be humming. You feel me? Like, shut your lame ass up, nigga. I don't even know what I just said, but anyway, y'all get what I'm trying to say, bro. But sure, I'm gonna record when we get to the shop, man. It's like 20 minutes away, bro. But I'm gonna start recording again when we get there. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, beat that ass, shake that ass, I gotta kill you. I'm finna rap this nigga. I need an instrumental. Oh man, we downtown, man. We in downtown St. Louis right now, bro. We like what, 1 minute away from that automotive, bro. Hey, hopefully he gonna get us right, man. We basically gonna talk and see what we can do legally to make this thing just loud as hell, bro. Like, no cap. Because I ain't trying to get pulled over on some bullshit and got to deal with the laws 24/7, bro. I ain't got time for that, bro. We finna see what we gonna do to this car, bro. I'm excited, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm very excited, bro. I'm not excited about this price, bro. I'm not excited to hear the total of what we, like, how much everything gonna be, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that sub button and hit that like button because your boy Dog is broke. You know what I'm saying? I'm broke as hell. I'm a broke ass nigga, man. You feel me? So I'm gonna need y'all to, you know what I'm saying, make me rich. Y'all be making these lame ass niggas rich. It's time for my dogs to make me rich. Simple as that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna get back to y'all boys. Simple as that, bro. Hey, who want a Hellcat? It's on me. You feel me?
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, man, y'all give me some money where, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that automotive right there, man. Right there in the cut. Broski. Ain't gonna lie, this shop little as hell, though, gang. Here it is right here, man. We here to see what we gonna do with this.
1 day later.
What's good, y'all, man? Today is the next day. Y'all see me in the car wash. We getting frozen clean real quick. Gotta get my son clean and stuff like that, bro. But today, y'all, we are actually gonna get the tips and the exhaust work done today. We wasn't able to get that stuff done yesterday, bro. Sadly, the person who was in there that was gonna do my stuff, he was, I guess he was booked or something like that, and he didn't have certain pipes for the muffler and everything like that, man. So today we about to go to a new place, a place called I think it's called Noctorial Motorworks, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this car was loud as hell. But we going to a place called Noctorial Motorworks today. And basically, we're gonna get the tips and the exhaust work done today. Simple as that. All right, y'all, we are here, man. As y'all can see, man, it's the place right here, man. Noctorial Motor Works, bro. Hey, it's next to Lindenwood. If y'all in the St. Louis, bro, y'all the goddamn Missouri area, bro. It's next to Lindenwood University, bro. Hey, we finna get this shit cracking, though, bro. So we finna go in here real quick, see how much the tips cost, see how much the muffler delete costs and stuff like that. And we gonna get cracking, bro. But now we finally finna sound official now, bro. We was sounding like a little Hello Kitty at first. Now we about to sound like a straight dog, man. But let me go inside here, see how much everything costs, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Simple as that, bro. It's right here, man. Noctorial Motor Works, man. Shout out to them, man. They finna get your boy right. Okay, y'all, so they told me how much it's gonna cost, bro. It's gonna cost $320, which is way cheaper than I was expecting. They finna add the tips. They finna add the Flowmasters, the Flowmaster Super 40s, and then they finna do the mid muffler delete, bro. And this is only $320, bro. I thought it was gonna be like $500, but it's $320. And so we gonna do a cold start with the car before the mufflers and stuff is on, and then we're gonna do a cold start with it after, man. So we're gonna see if we're gonna hear a big change in the sound. Simple. All right, I'm ready now. Yeah, that thing don't sound loud at all. That's before. That's before the work done. Cool. Well, y'all heard the beginning of the car, man. So I'm gonna get back to y'all boys in like 2 hours, bro. In 2 hours, they said it's gonna be done. So quick work, man. And then we're gonna do a cold start with it after, bro. I'm hella excited, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now we gonna sound like a dog now, man. Come on.
A few moments later.
So the car is finally finished, man. We about to see if it sounds louder or not, bro. So we about to do the first official cold start with the new tips. Let me show y'all how this looks, bro. It already looked tough as hell. I already know y'all. Hey, don't judge the fit, though, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got that third.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Oh, yeah, we going crazy. Big drill. What you talking about? Anyway, man, y'all know how the car looked before. It had the rear diffuser on without the tips. Now we got that thing with the tips on, bro. Now we got that thing with the tips. So now we really official, bro.
Nice.
We really official now, bro. We got the Carven tips on that thing. You know what I'm saying? The thing's sturdy. Everything on there sturdy. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Now we looking official. Hey, y'all see the ghetto paper? Yeah, y'all can't see the license plates, but we finna do the first official cold start. I wish I had somebody to rev it, bro. But y'all just heard that, bro. Way more aggressive, bro. Yeah, we finna get active. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Hold on, let me get in this whip real quick, bro. Hold on, you can. Hold on, bro. Now I can actually hear. I can hear it roaring while I'm just chilling here, bro. I ain't even got no the foot on the pedal, nothing. I can hear the car roar a little bit, bro. That's what I wanted, bro. Now we sound official. All right, y'all. So now we gonna do like a slight little POV. Hold on, let me rev it a little. Ooh. Oh yeah, well, that thing roaring. No, that thing roaring. That's what I ain't gonna lie. Damn, my shit ashy, bro. Y'all see, bro. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. These be putting in work for real. Hold on, but y'all. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Huh? I don't know the rest, nigga. Hey, yeah, that thing sound loud though, bro. We getting right. I wish we could have got a first official POV, bro, but it's all good, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is better than nothing. Let me put the sunroof down. I ain't gonna lie. It's like cold, but it's hot, bro. It's weird as hell. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is what we need. Bro, this is what I needed, man. I ain't gonna lie. This is probably the best mod we've done to the car yet. Simple. Hands down. Bro, it's just warm. That thing just purring. Bro, I'm going 10 miles per hour. Why is it purring like that? Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, the Flowmaster Super 40s, I definitely recommend y'all to get, bro. Instead of just doing a muffler delete, bro, you need to add the Flowmaster mufflers, bro. It makes it sound more like professional. I don't hear no drone or nothing, bro. Let me put that thing in sport mode. And don't judge the car, man. The inside of the car might be a little dirty, goddamn. I only got the outside clean. You feel me? Hold on, we put that sport on me. I don't know where we at, gang. Oh yeah, this sound. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, cuz. Yeah, we needed this, y'all. Oh, we needed this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, we needed this. This is tough. The car sounds way better, gang. It sounds way better, bro. All right, bro. Why would he do that, bro? He seen I was coming, cuz. Oh, yeah. Hey, I'm my bad, y'all. I'm not talking. I'm just listening, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's like my foot not on the gas and I just hear it still. Oh, yeah. I'm rocking with this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We needed this bad, cuz. Now we sound like a Mopar, bro. Chrysler always want to make the car silent with power. Now we got a little sound with the power. Hold on, we got a little, what's that? Oh, a little Camaro RS in front of us. Hold on. Oh yeah, this thing clean, bro. Bro, do y'all hear that, bro? That thing just humming, gang. Like, we just cruising. I'm gonna continue recording when I get to the crib, man. I'm gonna give y'all a real POV. Probably in a couple days, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a real POV with the new Carven 5 tips, the muffler delete, and we gonna really listen to how it sound when I punch it. You feel me? I ain't gonna really punch right now, bro. There's a lot of laws out today, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna continue recording when we get to the crib, though. The crib, man, y'all see it. Y'all hearing it, man. Y'all see what's going on, bro. That thing, hey, this thing is starting to look official, y'all. Real talk, man. Thing's starting to look official, man. He's starting to look official, man. Real talk. And we not done. We finna get that hood. We finna get that hood done. Oh, yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Should I take this off? Let me know if I should debadge all this. Or should I just keep it on, gang? But y'all see the car looks way more better, bro, with the tips in. Dang. Hella excited, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The car's coming along. We still got a lot more to do with the car, man. So make sure I hit that sub button, hit that like button, bro. So we can keep growing. And so I can give y'all more content, bro. You feel me? Y'all already seen what we doing already, man. Off the rip, we going hard. Simple. But I genuinely want to say thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for all this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. My dream car, man. We gotta mod it out, bro. Simple. Mod it out to our liking, bro. Maybe some thicker tires, bro. What y'all think, man? But hell yeah, man. It's the rundown of the whip right now, man. Little rundown of the car, bro. Hey, but I genuinely want to say thank y'all, bro. Thank y'all for all y'all support, bro. If you support me, man, I really rock with y'all, bro. Hey, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, bro. Link's in the description. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Link is in the description, man. I'm gonna follow some of y'all back, man. Hey, but y'all let me know 1 through 10. How y'all liking the car so far? Is it coming along, bro? Because the Chryslers are usually ugly. You know what I'm saying? People, the SRT Chryslers, the SRT 8 Chryslers, those are cool looking, but like the casual 300Cs, the regular 300s, those be looking bun. So I'm glad Chrysler came out with the 300S SRTs and stuff like that, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. I like them. I like this model. When you mod it, I like it way better than Dodge, man. You feel me? Shout out to all the Dodge people, man. But I like to be different, bro. And I'm gonna turn some heads when this thing fully done. Simple as that, man. Hey, but that's it for today's video, man. Hey, if y'all want a POV with the new sound of me pushing that bit, let me know. Drop a like, drop a comment. Say POV with new exhaust in the comments, bro. That's what I need from y'all, bro. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay blessed, man. I love y'all, and I'm out this thing, bro.